Hello again! Thanks for joining me in another lesson. Today's English lesson is a follow-up on a lesson I posted a few days ago on indefinite pronouns. In that lesson, I taught you all about the indefinite pronouns we use for people. If you haven't seen it yet, you can watch it here. Today's lesson, I'm going to teach you the indefinite pronouns that we use to refer to things, which include something, anything, nothing, and everything. First, a super quick recap on what indefinite pronouns are. We use these indefinite pronouns to refer to things in a general way. They are not definite. We use these indefinite pronouns when we do not know or do not need to say the specific thing. For example, I want to eat something. I want to eat something. What I want to eat is not defined. It is not specific. I'm hungry, but I'm not sure what I feel like eating. One more example. My young son wants to know everything. Everything in general. I don't say all the specific things that he wants to know. I just say everything. It is a broad statement. That is the idea of indefinite pronouns. An important point to be aware of, all of these indefinite pronouns are singular. We use them all with a singular verb. For example, we can say, something is wrong with her, not something are wrong with her. Everything is expensive these days, not everything are expensive these days. So let's go through them one at a time to ensure that we understand the meaning and then have a look at some example sentences. We'll start with something. Something refers to a thing which is unknown or unspecific. It is most often used in positive sentences. For example, I want something to eat. I'm bored. I need to do something. I have something important to tell you. In each of these sentences, the thing is unspecified. The next one, anything. Anything refers to one thing. It is mostly used in negatives and questions. This is important to remember. Anything in negatives and questions. For example, the meeting is almost finished. Does anyone have anything to add? This means, does a person have one thing to add? He sits on the couch all day. He doesn't want to do anything. This means he doesn't want to do even one thing. So lazy. Okay, number 3, we have nothing. Nothing refers to not anything. It is most often used in positive sentences. Very important to remember positive sentences with nothing. An example sentence, nothing is more important than family. This means family is the most important thing. As I said, we don't use nothing in negative sentences. Like, I can't do nothing right today. This sounds terrible and is very uneducated. Instead, you would say, I can't do anything right today. Remember, I told you anything is used in negatives. And the last indefinite pronoun that I want to talk about is everything. Everything refers to all things. It is most often used in positive sentences. For example, I've packed everything I need for our holiday. This means I've packed all of the things that I need for our holiday. Another example, my son wants to know everything. And the last example, lots of people tell me that they have done everything to improve their English. But there is something you haven't done. Leave a comment in the comment section under this video using the indefinite pronouns. Something, anything, everything, and nothing. And I will provide feedback on as many as I can. I'll post the third and final video lesson on this little series on indefinite pronouns in a few days, on the indefinite pronouns we use for places. Somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, and everywhere. That's it for today. Have a great day. Please give the video a big thumbs up If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you get a notification every time I post a new lesson. And most importantly, good luck with your English goals and life goals. Cheers.